The code base is a vast source code library containing thousands of trading robots and technical indicators. Every day, developers add their new programs to the code base, which can then be downloaded for free and used on the trading platform. Thousands of free applications are sorted in 3 categories. Open any category to view the apps of a specified type. Applications can be sorted additionally by name, description, rating, and date of publication. To find an entry related to a specific topic, search for words or sets of words. Select the Codebase section in the search results to view all the programs with names or descriptions containing these words. To download an application, press the D key or use the context menu command. The app will be automatically downloaded from the codebase, compiled and run on a chart. A double click on the application line opens its detailed description and screenshots on a web page. All the applications from the codebase are downloaded into the appropriate Downloads folder. An application can be viewed in the Trading Strategy Editor, where its source code can also be modified if necessary. The codebase is a huge selection of ready-to-use programs that you can use for free in your trading. All you need to do is to find and download the required application. Another way to obtain a free trading robot is to use the MQL5 wizard. The trading platform contains an editor of trading strategies called Meta Editor, which allows creating trading robots without programming. With the built-in MQL5 wizard, you simply select the components and assemble the new expert advisor. Over 50 expert advisors have been created in the MQL5 wizard, and their detailed descriptions and screenshots are all available in the codebase. All these trading robots are composed of 3 main units, which include the generation of buy and sell signals, trailing of open positions, and money management. The default MQL5 wizard standard package of modules contains 20 units of trading signals, 3 position trailing modules, and 5 lot management modules. By simply combining these units, you can generate 300 expert advisors. However, the actual number of possible combinations is almost unlimited. Here's why. Start the MQL5 wizard and select the option Generate Expert Advisor. The only required field needed to be completed here is the name of the expert advisor. The other fields are optional. The first unit is responsible for the generation of trading signals, so choose the required signals. For example, based on the stochastic indicator. Click on the question mark or press F1 to read its description. The MQL5 wizard allows creating complex trading strategies. So let's add signals based on the envelope's indicator. Additionally, we turn on the intraday filter, which will help find favorable and unfavorable trading hours during optimization. Furthermore, individual weights can be set for each type of signal to define their contribution to the resulting trading signal. The closer the weight of a module to 0, the weaker its influence on the final trading decision made by the expert advisor. As you can see, we have used a unit with 3 modules of trading signals in one robot. It means any number of combinations can be created using the standard 20 modules for the generation of trading signals. The second unit is the protection of open positions. Type of trailing should be chosen in this step. For example, take a popular trailing method based on the parabolic indicator. Next, one of the modules for lot size calculation should be selected for the third unit of money management. For example, this expert advisor will trade with the risk level of 3% of the deposit. That's all. we have developed a trading robot which is ready for compilation now. We can then test and optimize the input parameters of the resulting expert advisor and run it on a demo account for online testing. A complex trading system consisting of various complexes has been created without programming. But that's not all. The MQL5 wizard allows using custom modules. You can develop such modules or order them from professionals. This will provide even more opportunities for creating expert advisors. Now you know how to create a trading robot without writing a single line of code. A trading robot or an indicator can be ordered from experienced developers straight from the trading platform. If you can't find a required program among the thousands of apps in the market or in the source code, use a context menu command to go to the online freelance service. On the MQL5.com website, dozens of new automated trading-related orders are created daily. Hundreds of developers perform jobs under concluded contracts and are ready to take on new orders. The order creation procedure is very simple and is provided with hints along every job stage. To create an order for a trading robot, you initially need to specify the title, the category, and the type of program you need. The desired cost and deadline for the job can be additionally specified here. However, you'll need to negotiate the final details with prospective job applicants that wish to undertake the order. You can also create an order for a specific developer. This will be an order for a personal job and it will not be available to other developers. Then fill in the description, attach files if necessary, and post your order to the freelance section. This makes your job order public and available to developers. Select candidates based on their set price they require for the job and statistics of their completed jobs. After a developer is selected, both parties need to conclude a work agreement, and the customer must finalize the details of the order by providing all the required specifications. If the customer needs also the source code of the program, this fact must be reflected in the agreement. This is the most important step in the ordering process, so you should discuss all the details before moving on to the next step. Once the developer signs the agreement, the full cost of the order is frozen on the customer's account. This money is to guarantee the payment. It will be automatically transferred to the developer's account upon completion of all job steps. At the next step, the developer provides a prototype to the customer. Once it's approved, the developer completes the order and provides the resulting software at the demonstration step. If the execution of the work is impossible for some reason, any of the parties may apply for arbitration to resolve disputes. After the successful order completion, both parties can leave their feedback and rating. Thus, customers and developers create their reputation, which helps other users evaluate their services. That's all. Now you know how to order a trading robot that will follow your specific trading strategy. The market is the online store of trading robots, technical indicators, financial books and magazines. It's built into the trading platforms, so you can access thousands of digital products while trading. All available products are grouped by type in separate tabs, and you can quickly navigate through what the market offers. For example, expert advisors and indicators are listed in the applications section. Each product in the market is provided with a detailed description and screenshots. You can examine the product carefully and make a reasonable choice. Additional free demo versions of robots and indicators can be tested using the strategy tester for a better product assessment. All books in the market offer free preview versions which contain their opening chapters. The process of purchasing a product from the market is simple. The platform provides a guide on what to do for each step. Please note that all purchases are tied to your MQL5.com profile, and you must have a valid account with sufficient funds in it. If you don't have an account, you can sign up on MQL5.com during the purchase procedure. To add money to your account, click on the balance link and follow the instructions. To confirm the payment and to complete the purchase procedure, you only need to enter your password. It's also possible to purchase products without registration. Simply select one of the available payment systems and make an online money transfer. Note that in this case, the product can only run on the computer it's been purchased from. If you then open an MQL5.com account from the platform, running on the same computer, all your purchases will be automatically linked to it. After that, you'll be able to run the purchased applications on any other computers within the available activations. However, if you only work with free products, you don't need to involve your MQL5 account. The market offers a lot of free products which you can download and use without registration. To check all the operations conducted in the market, you can use the journal of the platform. All the purchased and downloaded products are listed in a separate tab. The main tab of the market features the most popular of the thousands of products offered in the store. Navigate to the applications sections to search through the available expert advisors, indicators, and other useful tools. In each category, you can choose between new, most rated, and free products, as well as sort them by price. Use the search bar to quickly find an application by its name. The detailed information about a product is available on its page. Here you will find the price and terms of rent available for some apps, the price of the full version, as well as the number of activations. Please note that each product purchased from market is tied to the computer it's downloaded from. This is the product activation, which is performed together with the installation of an application on each new computer. At the same time, you can run a product in multiple platforms that are installed on one computer, and it requires no additional activations. The category, the number of the current version, and the date of the last update are specified below. Visit the seller's MQL5 profile or the product page on the MQL5.community website to review other applications of this product developer. Please read carefully the detailed product description and check out its screenshots. This information will help you understand the trading logic implemented in the application. Also, take a moment to read reviews from customers who already use the product. All paid applications are provided with free demo versions, which you can check in the strategy tester before purchasing the full version. We strongly recommend that you test expert advisors and indicators with different settings, financial instruments, and time periods. In addition to offering popular applications, the market also features magazines and books about trading. Check out the description, the table of contents, and the screenshots of some pages, and read the opening chapters of books in their previews. Be sure to read these materials to get a better idea of a product before you decide to spend money for it. Now you know how to find the right products in the market. Before you decide to purchase an expert advisor or an indicator, you can check it in the strategy tester for free. Every product is provided with a demo version, which can be downloaded from its description page. Configure the main parameters in the strategy tester, selecting the financial instrument, time frame, and period of price history. It's recommended to specify your deposit and leverage values and use the appropriate price modeling mode. During the testing process, monitor messages about trade operations in the Journal tab. Changes in the balance, equity, and margin level are visualized in the graph window. Once testing the process is over, review the detailed report in the Results tab and analyze the performance figures and charts to evaluate the trading strategy. You can find out more information about this report in the built-in help, which is open by pressing F1. To better understand the underlying strategy, use visualization, during which all executed trades are displayed on the charts. A separate window will be opened where you can see trade operations as well as all the symbols and indicators used in the Expert Advisor. In this mode, you're able to track every price change. For convenience, you can rewind the history tick player, skip it forward, slow down or pause where necessary. Visualization is indispensable for checking paid indicators from the market. That's why they're always tested in the visual mode on a symbol chart. To find the best input parameters of Expert Advisors, use optimization, which allows you to run thousands of tests with a single button. Select the required parameters of the trading system, set the step of change and the range of values of each of them. The number of required test passes depends on these settings. If the number of testing combinations is too large, use the MQL5 cloud network to speed up calculations. After optimization, analyze the trading performance results and the combinations of parameters for each pass. You can also receive a testing report for a specific pass by double-clicking on its line. We strongly recommend that you thoroughly test all Expert Advisors with various sets of parameters before you make a payment. Change periods and price emulation mode. Use delays in trading operations and optimize parameters with different criteria. This will allow you to evaluate the strong and weak points of the offered trading strategy before you decide to purchase it. The Purchase tab contains all your applications, magazines and books from the market. From this tab you can download purchased and rented products, which are not yet installed on your trading platform. Simply enter the login and password of your MQL5.com account in the settings and access all your apps. In this section you get informed about free update releases for purchased products and demo versions. Additional features are available for paid robots and indicators. Firstly, you can test downloaded demo versions before purchasing. Secondly, here you can lease an application if the renting option is provided by its author. If you're using a rented product, from this tab you can pay to renew its rental period. After you make a payment for the selected period, the updated application will be downloaded automatically. On your other computers, the product can be updated up to this renewed period for free, as per available activations. Finally, here you can proceed to purchase the unlimited versions of the product after testing or renting. Please note that you will have to pay the full price of a product. Previously paid rental fees do not affect the application price. After you make a payment, the application is downloaded, activated and added to the market folder of the navigator window. From this point, you can use the product for its intended purpose without any limitations. One activation of a paid or rented product is required for one computer, even if you're running multiple platforms on it. However, if you upgrade your computer components or change the operating system, you'll also need to reinstall the application and use one of its activations. One more thing to mention is that purchased magazines and books can also be downloaded from the Purchase section. You can open them or read their free previews from this tab, straight in your trading platform. That is all about the market, the largest online store of digital products for traders. Now you know where to find and how to purchase Expert Advisors, indicators, books and magazines.